This 2026 NuCamp TAB 360 CS Black Canyon is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 2 inches in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 2, external shower, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, TV, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp TAB 360 CS Black Canyon is 3,128 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.